In business, efficiency and cost-effectiveness are key, but when it comes to office printing, is your company spending more than it should? With printer rentals, leasing, and managed print services, businesses can eliminate heavy upfront costs while ensuring they have the right printing solutions for their needs. Whether you're a small business needing a versatile all-in-one printer or a large enterprise requiring high-volume printing, there's a flexible option for you. Managed print services take it a step further, handling maintenance, upgrades, and document workflow so your team can focus on what truly matters. Plus, with scalable leasing plans, you'll always have access to the latest technology without breaking the bank. From cost savings to seamless office printing management, the right solution can transform your workflow. Find out how office printer rentals and managed print services can work for your business. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.